all alone. I'm drowning in my tears, but now I'm dry. No more left to cry. On my own, I'm the only one to blame. I know my pride brought much pain, and I know we were wrong. I never gave that real love. Is it wrong?